Wagwan! Wagwan! The boy Duali on IAJT TV. Now we're about to check out Salt River Park in Carrington, Southern Carrington. Now this is about 30 minutes drive out of Kingston, heading towards Carrington. So at the Hypro exit on the toll road, you will exit at the Hypro exit, and there's a left turn at Freetown at the gas station. You'll take that, and you know, like probably 30 minutes drive from Freetown, you'll find Salt River. People, we're gonna check that out today. Okay, come with me now. Come with. The main road heading to Salt River. Now look at this sign, people. Nice view of the boatyard. probably another day, but we're heading to Tagala. Yes, my peeps are here. Internet. I think they're doing some development. This will be the new entrance. Sorry, but we're gonna take the old entrance. Now that's the old entrance. But let's take a quick outside view. Yes, people. South River. Welcome to South River. As you can see, right on the main road, on South River main road. Official entrance to the property. Now, if you want food, on a day like today, which is Wednesday, you'd have good enough parking. But like on a weekend, Saturday or Sunday, not so sure about that. So yes, people, for the Salt River, come with me now. Come check it out. Come on, the Salt River, people. Now this would be the entrance. The new entrance that they're redeveloping. So we're going. Now I can bet you today you'll have a whole lot of visitors and Jamaican residents alike. And as I said before, you have a whole lot of food here, so you don't have to worry about food, especially seafood. So people, I want to show you something very, very special. And a lot of persons won't recognize or probably question, where does this water come from? Water is actually coming out of the rocks. So all of these rocks, you know, we have never heard about any crocodile attacks. You know, this salt water, people, No, it's a river. It's salt water. You know, crocodiles not really, go into salt water. I don't know the mystery behind it, but most rivers are fresh water. That river is salt water. Alright, people, we're gonna check out the renovation, the redevelopment that I'm going with. Alright, so this seems like our bathroom, I'm not sure yet, but I guess this will be the new entrance here to the Salt River Spa. Now that blue building there is newly built. That's the bathroom here. Now from time to time people use that area football field. Fine. Guys playing football over there. So let's check out the bathroom facilities. Now people, Salt River, as I said before, is a must-see attraction in Jamaica. Salt River, Clarendon to be exact. Now this is the restroom. I'm not sure why it's not open today, but I guess in the future, when you have someone to man them, then they'll be open. That's the old bathroom here there. This is the new bathroom here. That building there is also being renovated. That's a restaurant. Now people, we have a check out the food. And I must say, we have a carry our belly with us sometime when we are going. So people, come with chicken, but chicken already so my boss prepare some chicken for me right away. So how long does that take to prepare now, Virgin? How long does that take to prepare?
25 minutes.
Oh, see, it's 25 minutes and we have chicken for kids. Alright, people see that?
Yeah, you know they go into a top secret impress with Kenisha, aka Baller. Big up the top chef for this Samala and everything. I'm there for my day off. I'm still a do it. So I actually tell some people say that they may start river. When I stush, I come put out the work same even with the for my day off.
Right.
You have to write a Kenisha and Salt River. You know, right on the middle of the minerals. Big up all of the real people. We say real, no real, to the fullest.
Yes, man.
Big up to all of the clean heart people. Big up yourself, you all and big up yourself.
Yeah, me,
You know where things go. How we say money over hype. You know? How we say health over wealth. How we say respect people to the fullest. We push out the hard work. Shine you, we never stop. See them spin up the chicken? We never stop. We serve people to the best of our ability. Cleanness we deal with. Cleanness is next to godliness, don't it?
Really?
And that's how we think that we love every customer, respect every customer. You know, right at Salt River, Kenisha spot. You know, top security there, represent Kenisha on a day off. You know, AK Baller, big up Lightspend. Big up Honey, famous, big up the whole team. Big up all the real people, you know how we say. Check in, Salt River, Kenisha spot. Big up Top Chef Marlon again. You know the thing, big up everybody there, you know, real say, because we're in a bad mind, you know.
Everything ready, man. I
Real for real. See that? Real thing.
Fish and festival and chicken and soup.
Alright, you know where I go.
Alright.
Keep it real. Put it up, top security, I'm representing for Kenisha. Real girl. It's a Jamaican thing. It's a Jamaican thing. Real Jamaican flower. It's a Jamaican thing. Only in Jamaica. It's a Jamaican thing.
It's a Jamaican thing, natural. We have to do it like
Natural.
a Jamaican. Can't do it like a foreigner. Jamaican thing, so they grow. See me? Yeah, so we are doing
Only in Jamaica we can get dumpling like this. See it again.
Kenisha hotspot.
Kenisha hotspot, Salt River, it's a Jamaican thing. Put it up, top secret I present. One more time. It's a Jamaican thing. Put it up.
All I people they know yourself on yard and broad. That's that place to be, you see?
Kenisha place.
It's a Jamaican thing. Pick up your channel and pick up yourself.
Alright, people see?
You know a thing, a top secret I present again for Kenisha hotspot, a Salt River. Put it up. Big up my friend at Judith in Canada, big up Paul and my auntie in England, big up Janelle in England, you know real, big up O'Neill famous gutters, big up Uprising, same way, you know, I think top security, put it up, watch it now, see nice parrot them here, does scraper and things, see that? See scraper man, this is the real, it's a Jamaican thing, see that? Real Jamaican scraper. What that scraper man? It's a Jamaican thing. On the Jamaica alone, I see them scraper. It's a Jamaican thing. Put it up. Watch them nice fish here. It's a Jamaican thing.
It's a fresh from the sea.
Fresh from the sea. See
No
nice parrot here.
embalming.
No embalming. See the dust scrape.
No ice, nothing.
Watch
Fresh.
here. See nice Dr. Fisher dust scrape. See that? It's a Jamaican thing. See the boarded up top secret represent for Kenisha thing, you know? Salt River, right now, middle of Salt River. Clarendon, boarded up. Scraper man, show yourself. Where you have to scraper man? Talk to him, scraper man.
People them get some nice.
One bag of seed there, one bag of fish, see there? Come look, see there? It's a Jamaican thing, see there? Oliver. One bag of parrot and see there? It's a Jamaican thing. You all the bone juke me, could you see blood? It's a Jamaican thing. You have to get juke pan fish some of the time we have scrape fish. It's a Jamaican thing. Because I'm a good son, I'm a good baby mother. You know the thing, go board it up. That's secret artisan. Sorry, pa. It's a Jamaican thing. All of you to sell. It's a share. One love, one family.
Feed it. I check for my chicken again. I want to talk about Jamaican food. This is what we're talking about. People, this is what I'm talking about. Start River. This is a place you guys have to be. Come and visit one. Nice attraction in Jamaica. Nice attraction. Southern Clarendon. Start River Mineral. Now this is what I'm talking about. Jamaican thing, real Jamaican sight. Alright, see the people. Ready, you know. This are the festival thing. Auntie, I enjoy our chicken.
Salt River, we love down your body. We addicted.
Alright, see it. She love our food and she love our Salt River. Yeah, me and Auntie enjoy yourself. Eh? And big up IHA TV for me now.
We love IJ TV like that.
Yeah, me and Auntie.
Tune in straight.
Alright, I enjoy mango, see it? On the river, enjoy mango. Sixth festival, you hear me then? Oh my gosh, it's a my festival now. Fresh. Alright. Look at that, people. Jamaican fried chicken and festival. You know, today I'm a fish day. I really don't want to fish today. Alright. Some of the big up the chef Marlon. So the kids enjoying themselves. But even the kids enjoy themselves, man. Don't talk about it. Alright people, so we are at another restaurant and bar area. We have one bar here and another bar at the front. This is the restaurant. So when you talk about Jamaican food again, people, what we're talking about there? Jamaican food.
That's so nice, man. Jalina's place. Bar and restaurant. This one I say, Salt River. Steam fish, drum fish, fish soup, fried chicken festival. Up and down. This one I say. It's a Jamaican thing, TV. Jalina's place, Salt River. It's when I say, big it up. Oh, Brixton. Chef. Big man chef over there, so. It's when I say, bar and say, you see how there? Big up. Jamaican thing TV, Salt River with it. Jalina Bar and Restaurant. Fish, steam fish, brown show fish, fried chicken, festivals, straight up. Fish soup. For the Saturday and Sunday, mad thing. So me I say, forward down at Salt River. Jalina's place.
So I have some fried chicken here again, people. Fresh food, and I talk about no food that cook and put on. Fresh Jamaican food, people. Is the chef you want? What kind of food you provide today? Alright. Next lady here prep some stuff for the soup. Okay. Alright, people see. So you have prepare, my friend?
Steamed fish, we are preparing the season for the steamed fish. Preparing, this is the carrot, sweet pepper, we have okra, the other with bami, our crackers, even the festival.
Okay. Seems like we have some more seasoning over that side as well.
This,
Alright, see that.
this is the blend up season to prepare the French fried chicken.
Fresh. Fresh. Everything freshly done, people, see? Oh, this, as I say, people, this is on a Wednesday. Come here on a Saturday or on a Sunday. You have a bigger vibe, you have a bigger crowd, and most of these restaurants would be open. So come on down and check it out, people. Salt River. If I'm not enjoy dipping in the water now, that's what I'm about to do. Watch this. People see that? Salt River Mineral Spa. That's what I'm talking about.